Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix startup repair on Windows 11, how to fix automatic repair loop problem in Windows 11. So if you get the same automatic repair screen and it keeps stuck on it or give you this screen all the time, then apply the solution that I'm going to share in this video, and that will be surely helping you. So first you need to click on Advanced. Then from here, you will get all these options. Click on Troubleshoot. Then click on Advanced Options. Then first option will be that we will be trying with the startup repair. If this works, that's fine. And if not, then we will move with the solution number 2. So let's click on Startup Repair. And this will start diagnosing your PC. So we have to wait. And once it's been done, it says the startup repair couldn't repair your PC. So now if you get the same message, then you can move with the solution 2 that I'm going to tell you now. But if you get some suggestion to proceed, then follow the steps and probably your issue will be fixed by just startup repair. And if not, then here click on Advanced option again. Then again click on Troubleshoot. Then on Advanced Options. And then click on Command Prompt. Now the black window of Command Prompt will be coming up. So here the first command that you have to type will be chkdsk. Then hit enter. And it says Windows has checked the file system and found problems. Run chkdsk with the /f option to fix these. So it says that there is a problem, and even it gives you the suggestion that which command you should run. So now type chkdsk space / and then F. Hit enter. And now I'm getting a message that the type of file system is NTFS, cannot log current drive. Okay, so I'm getting this error message. So probably I'm using a virtual machine, but in your case it will run through. So wait until the command is completed, and the next command that you have to run will be sfc space / scan now, and just let the command run and wait until this has been 100% completed. Okay, the verification is 100% completed, and it says Windows Resource Protection could not perform the requested operation. So probably I have already done that twice, so it's giving me this message. But you may get some messages like there was some integrity violation and which has been automatically fixed, or you may get also a message that there was no integrity violation found. Okay, so you just need to run this command, that's it. Now the third command will be bootrec space / fixmbr. So just need to run all these commands. Once it's been done, close it. Then click on continue and see if this fixes the problem. I'm very sure that after applying all these command solution, your problem will be fixed. And now it's coming up. So hopefully that the issue will be resolved on your end as well. And if yes, then please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and still if you have doubts, any problem, then let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.